Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a fly. It's very similar to the cicada I've taught on this channel before. There's just a couple different steps. But this is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring this top left corner down to meet the bottom right corner. Bring that down so both those corners line up, then hold that in place and crease it all the way across. Next I'm going to rotate slightly. Now I'm going to bring this right corner down to lie along the bottom corner here. So bring that right down to the bottom and then crease that down. Then do the same thing with the left corner here. Just bring it down to the bottom and then crease that. Now I'm actually going to rotate the model 180 degrees. So these two flaps swing down from the top now. Now we're going to make a valley fold that starts at this corner and extends this way. This is going to be done to taste. So there's no reference point for it, just as long as it starts from this corner. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll swing this flap down. And we're going to fold it about this much. Just make sure it starts right from this corner here. So start it from there and then you can move the flap around to where you like it. This is just adjusting the size of the wings. But we'll do it about here and then crease it down. Now we'll do the same thing on this side. Just start the crease right from that corner. Then just make it equal to this side. And then crease it down. Next we're going to fold this point down to where all of these points meet right here. And we're going to do this with just the top layer. So we'll fold it down like this, hold it right there where all those points are and fold across. Next we're going to fold this point down, and this one is done to taste, but we're going to bring it down about this much. Just keep this right in the center and then crease it across like that. Next we're going to make a mountain fold. It's going to run across this way. This is also done to taste, and it's going to run right here, and it's not going to be parallel to this line. So I'll show you what I mean here. So I'm folding it back about this much. I'm doing it from this side just so I can see how it relates to the rest of the model. So I fold it down like that and then crease it all firmly. And I'll show you from the back side what that looks like. Now we're going to fold the other side as well, and I'm going to stay on this back side just so I can make it match this side here. So just fold it so it looks similar to the other side. Then we'll turn that back over. Now hopefully the two sides are fairly symmetrical. Next, we're just going to fold these points down slightly, just about this much, like that. And those are just to make it look like eyes. That fold's actually not even entirely necessary if you don't want to do it. But it should look like this, and we're all done. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.